6 Financial planning tips for new parents. Having children opens up a world of new opportunities. In addition, as you support your expanding family, it also comes with new financial obligations and issues. New parents will benefit from adopting proactive measures to examine their finances and implement good adjustments, from daily budgeting to long-term planning. Here are 6 actions you may take to position yourself for success in the early stages of parenthood. 1. Revise your budget. Costs increase with a new baby. Food, clothing, childcare, checkups, and diapers add up rapidly. Include these additional costs in your budget and, if necessary, look for ways to reduce other monthly spending. Remember that while some expenditure categories, like dining out and entertainment, may increase, others may decrease. This could give some simple opportunities to reduce current costs and maintain your budget. 2. Adjust your life insurance policy, or add a new one. If you already have a life insurance policy, you should update it during the amendment period to include your kid and more coverage. It's crucial to make these adjustments within the permitted window of time because life insurance policies can only be modified during specific times, including significant life events. You might have to wait years before you can add new coverage if you miss your amendment period. If you don't already have one, think about getting one to cover you or your family in the event of an unforeseen loss. Even though it's never enjoyable to consider such possibilities, having life insurance will give your family the much-needed financial security in the event of a loss. 3. Open a dependent care flexible spending account, if you plan to pay for childcare. Flexible spending accounts, FSAs, for dependent care let you designate up to $5,000 of your pre-tax income for childcare. Some families can save more than $1,000 in annual tax savings thanks to this. This sum provides significant financial relief by covering childcare costs, even though it probably won't cover the full cost of full-time childcare. 4. Consider starting a college savings fund. Early saving generates more income if you want to help your child save for college. A 529 savings plan can be created with your child as the beneficiary. In order to cover more children, you can add beneficiaries over time, or you can create a separate fund for each child. In Missouri, you can additionally deduct a part of these contributions from your state taxes. 5. Increase your emergency fund. A child raises your family's living expenditures, and greater living expenses necessitate a larger emergency fund in case unforeseen financial difficulties arise. It might be appropriate to raise your payments to that fund in order to create more financial security now that the family has a new member. A child's impact on your monthly expenditure will require you to boost this emergency amount if, for example, your emergency fund goal is to have 3 months' worth of living expenses on hand. If you are unable to increase this sum all at once, contribute little by little over time until you reach the desired monetary amount. 6. Create or amend your will. Many young people don't have a will that is current, or even one at all. A child in your care, however, necessitates that you alter your will to include financial beneficiaries as well as guardians for your child. The situations involved in creating a will, like buying life insurance, can be stressful, but they offer crucial long-term security for your finances, your children, and any other beneficiaries of your estate. Not only are children expensive, but they also require special consideration in your financial planning. Take these financial steps as soon as possible to increase your financial stability.